Glitching Eye Dropshipping Review 2025 Honest and unbiased, not sponsored. The surprising truth about iDropshipping is that most tools overpromise. Glitching Eye claims to automate success, but does it really work in 2025? Glitching Eye is designed to help users identify trending products, generate listings, and automate store setup using artificial intelligence. It targets beginners who want to enter e-commerce quickly. One major advantage is speed. Product research that once took hours can now take minutes. You won't believe what happens next when Eye identifies trends before they peak. Another pro is ease of use. The interface is built for non-technical users and setup is relatively straightforward. However, most people get this wrong by assuming automation equals profit. Eye can help with research, but marketing, branding, and customer service still matter. Subscription costs can also add up. In conclusion, Glitching Eye is a useful tool, not a guaranteed business. If you treat it as a shortcut, you may struggle. If you use it strategically, it can save time in 2025.